Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the way. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. So go ahead. But today we're gonna be doing something a little different. Y'all know I made a digital book of savings challenges, and I love all the cutesy things. So I'm just collecting challenges, and the book is getting bigger digitally. And I honestly got quite overwhelmed and didn't know what to do for my April savings. I just was like, I want to do them all, but I couldn't. I received my order from Celissa's shop and got this beautiful green wallet with binder rings. She also sent this thank you card. Her shop is Beautiful Budgets Co. It'll be linked down below. She also sent me this thank you card. But on the other side was this cute little Panda savings challenge. Oh my gosh, y'all. And I'm sorry, I'm doing laundry, so if you hear that, I apologize. But your girl's gotta get clean clothes. So these was so cutie. And so I was like, you know what? I've been so trying to find my happiness and my joy. Of course, joy comes through the Lord, but I'm gonna do a different series on that soon. So wait, look out for that. But I thought this was so cute, and I think I'm going to use it for my summer fun. Also, when I purchased another scratch off a while ago, sent me this, and I love this envelope. So now I have a reason to use it. So we're going to say all that. You're like, Tara, where are you going to get money from? Well, because this month of May, I gave myself a lot of extra money in all my categories, and now we're almost on the 20th, y'all. It's the 19th, and we only got about 11-12 days left in the month. I think I can afford to take some money out, so I'm going to go through each envelope in my new wallet, and I'm going to find some money to take out. So let's get started. I don't know how often I'm going to do this or when I'm going to do this, but the goal is to get this 150. Okay, so in gas, and this will be a cute little tracking situation. In gas, we started at 150. On 5/8, I got $21 worth of gas, and it was 129. And then on 5/17, I got $25 more, leaving me with what should be $104, y'all. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $104. Ooh, this poor dollar. So I do have that, but I think I'm gonna take the $4 out because I think we could swing not having that $4. Okay. And 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. I think we'll be fine. The gas tank is on full and we still have $100. Girl, we only got like 2 weeks. We should be fine. I feel okay about taking that $4 out. So I'm going to place my $4 over here. Y'all the right way? Yeah. For now. And let's move on to the next envelope. Giving. So giving has had 48, and I used $3 for a tip. Y'all, I got my nails done and my eyebrows done and my toes done. I don't ever do that, but I just felt like I needed a pick-me-up, and I was tired of looking at my jankety nails. These are my nails. They're just gel polish on them, and I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, and so that left me with $45. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like I'm okay with taking $5 out of here for this purpose because we're already almost done with the month. And so this is $5.19, and we're going to put Panda. And that's going to leave us with $40, which I think is fine. 10, 20, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. I didn't want to take the dollars out because y'all know how that goes. When you're giving, sometimes you just want to give $2, $3, $1, you know. So that's that. And then self-care is empty. As I told you guys, I went and got nails, toes, eyebrows done. So, and you'll see that in a vlog. But yeah. And then fun currently has, so this is like tracking. We love this for me. it started with $80 over in self-care. And then so fun started off with $60. And I actually went over that amount because I give a tip and everything at the nail salon. So I ended up taking $10 out for eyebrows. Out of my fund. It's my money. I can do that. So
what do you want from me?
$10 out of eyebrows. We had 60. It should have 50 left. So 20, 40, 50. I'm not taking any money out of fun, you guys, because no. Because I have the rest of the month and I want to have fun.
We have a lot of fun here.
Now, if we get to the end, I might. Eating out. I could take some money out of eating out. So eating out is our last category, and eating out had $100, which is like, wow. And so $5.17, I had JJ Fish. That was $14. I got something a little different. That's why it was a little bit more. And so $86 was left, and then $5.15, which should have been before. I went to Publix, and the reason I took this out of here is because I took some eating out money out of the grocery online money, and so I'm trying to replenish. They actually still owe groceries like $10 more, but that was $11, and so it left us with 75. So 20, or should 40, 50, 60, 75. So I'm gonna take this 5, even though this actually still owes groceries some money, but we're not gonna worry about it because it is what it is. It is what it is.
I mean, it is what it is.
And this is gonna go our Panda savings challenge, and that is getting, what is that, $5? Should leave us with $70. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you guys, this is another reminder that even if you don't have a ton of money, do what you can with what you do have. Start small. It's all good. I think we'll be fine for the next 2 weeks, and we still have monies in groceries online. Okay, so we can put this away, and let's see how much we're able to stuff to our little Panda challenge. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So on today, on our summer fun, Panda. I just really want to do that. Savings challenge. We're saving on $5.19. What'd I say? $14. Started with nothing, now we got $14. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. So let's see if we can find $14 to mark off on our little Panda challenge. Let me bring y'all in a little bit. We have a couple of options here. And I think I want to try the blue just to get, no, the purple, because it's kind of supposed to be like a highlighter. So I kind of want to still be able to see the numbers. And so I see a 5, a 4, 5, 14 minus 5 minus 4, and a 5. Yeah, so I see 2 5s and a 4. So here's 1 5. Let's hope this doesn't wipe off. I'll let it completely dry. A 5, or maybe we'll use multiple colors. Why not? And a 4. See which one lasts the longest. And then a 5 right next to it. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Oh, this one's kind of tough. Into the paper. Okay, we've gotten started. It's 150 and it seems like a lot, but little by little we're gonna chip away at it. I'm gonna have some money for summer fun or whatever I want to do. All right, guys, and we're gonna put in our cutie little envelope with our tracker, so that even if I spend some money, I'll know that I saved it. Yay! I love this for me. So that's it, you guys. Remember, it doesn't matter. Find money from wherever you can find it. Do what you can. Save what you can. Every little bit adds up. I actually think I want to put the day we started this, which is 5/19, which actually is already on my tracker, so that's probably unnecessary. But I'm going to do it anyway. ST. Start date, finish date. I'm interested to see how long it takes me to get this done. No rush. Just trying to figure it out. Alright, guys, have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. I love you. Mean it. Bye.